Recruiterflow is definitely making your ATS less admin, but not absolute. But integrating Recruiterflow and KrispCall, now recruiters can easily broaden their reach to more, less admin. Removing repetitive tasks of copying candidate contacts, manually updating call logs, and even making calls and sending SMS to applicants without switching to the phone. Let's see how to connect these platforms step by step. First, log in to your KrispCall account. Go to Settings, then to Integrations. Search for Recruiterflow and click Connect. A pop-up will ask for your Recruiterflow API key. To gain access to API keys, contact the Recruiterflow support team. Then, enter the valid credentials in KrispCall and click Connect Now. After the setup is complete, easily customize your integration in the settings. In General Settings, enable and disable sync options for contacts and notes as needed. Then in Workflow Settings, enable specific or all log activities to sync as required. Next, in Connected Numbers, add one or more numbers to use for calls and SMS in Recruiterflow. Once done, start creating contacts in KrispCall or import them using a CSV. Then head over to your Recruiterflow account, where the contacts are already synced without any duplication. Now calls can be made to all applicants without leaving Recruiterflow. But first, install the KrispCall dialer extension on your browser. Then click on the KrispCall icon beside the number and select the call option. The dialer opens instantly to begin the conversation with the candidates. During the call, add notes and sync them directly under Activities in the applicant's contact. Along with notes, sync all call log activities with recordings and even SMS conversations. Sending SMS within KrispCall is also the same. Upon clicking the KrispCall icon, simply choose the SMS option, type your message, and hit Send, logging it automatically within Recruiterflow. With activated voicemails, you don't have to worry about missed calls either. Access recording as links directly in the ATS to make hiring fast, smooth, and to make informed decisions. Give your recruitment process a boost by integrating Recruiterflow with KrispCall. Connect with candidates, track phone interactions, and make faster hiring decisions, all in one place. Start recruiting more efficiently. Visit KrispCall.com to integrate Recruiterflow today.